What's up guys, to another video. So today's video we are gonna review the new update. So let's get into it. Before we check out everything, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's do it. Okay, so whoa. Okay, so it looks like we have water, like it looks like some things have been electrocuted, or oh wait, no, these are oh that's cool. Like your thing whole screen gets blue, and there's like a little fan. That's cool. Ice cream truck. Oh wait, can we grab ice cream? Ah, dang it, that would have been so cool. So we got a fire hydrant. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so let's go to oh, there's a lollipop. There's a rope. There's more of these. Okay, let's go to cities. Okay, we're back in cities. So let's see. Oh, so more water. Looks like the fan, and you could see clouds. I wonder if that's just a glitch or something. There's this thing again. There's a little. Ooh, they stuck it with gum. That's gross. Can I? Oh, more ice cream. We still can't grab it. Dang it. Okay, so we got this stuff. Oh, just ignore how much money I have. Okay, ooh, these look sick. Not buying all of these. I'm just looking at them. Okay, boom. Okay, wait, that should be the limit. So we got these little nail things. Oh wait, so we got forest. We got city. Wait. I'm not sure what. Oh, we got clouds, we got beach, we got canyons. I don't know what that one is. Oh, we got that weird thing. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so and we got. Oh, this looks sick. Oh, wait, we could finally cosplay. We could finally be Squid Game actually, because we got this jacket. No, bro, MG coin be like. That might be a fire idea, to be honest. Oh, this is like a little car thing. Wait. Oh, wait, it's not. Is that go to the car? Then we got this. Oh, that looks sick. Ooh, the blue looks sick too. The yellow is crazy. I like this one and this one. And we got. That's sick, and like, this is like, that's cool. And then we got that Gucci hat. Okay, let's. That's sick, bro. Okay, I didn't get through all of these. So we got that dummy ones. Go! Then let's see these. think these are new. These ones are new. I think that one's new. Yeah, that should be it for. Okay, oh, that's cool. Like, you could hear it. I'm not sure if you could hear it. Ow. Oh, I got a puffer. Wait. Oh. That's funny. Wait, I'm gonna go full. Nah, that's crazy. Look at that. Oh my god. With the face is crazy. No, that's sick, bro. Oh wait, the hands. That's honestly. So it honestly looks pretty good with mask. This one, yo, chill, bro. Yo, chill, bro. Yo, wait, bro. These are pretty fire. Wait. So yeah, that's it. Yeah. So it's pretty cool. My favorites. It has to be these two. Oh, so I really like these two. That one, this one I love. These two, yeah, those are the best ones. To be honest. Oh my god, this looks sick. Okay, don't mind me buying these. I'm gonna buy literally everything. So wait, 4,000, bro. Okay, that's not bad because I want all of these, but I don't want to spend that much money. Okay, well, I'm gonna head into Monkey Blocks. So, see ya. Okay, so we are in Monkey Blocks. This looks sick. Doug the Bug. Boing. Oh my god, that launches you. Okay, so what does this do? So this goes in circles. That's a smooth one. Then let me see what these are. I'm not sure. You gotta pull. Okay, so yeah, this one's really cool. A lot of people are gonna buy this one. Get launched. This is a really cool one. So we got these. Oh, that's cool. Look, we can make a little. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Crazy video idea though. I might make that. So what are these for? I'm gonna try these. Wait. So these roll you. Okay, oh, that would have been crazy. So we got these. This is pretty sick. Oh, I wish. This is ow. Wait. Oh, that's cool. Ow. And we got these. Oh, that was so. That wasn't actually. I wasn't cheating or anything. Get up. Okay. We got Doug the Bug. Okay, and that's much it for Monkeypox. Yeah. Let's skip. Yeah, I think that's much it. I'm not too. I don't know where else. Something. Anything new up here? No. Quick way to get out. Okay, so I think that's okay. Wait, let's see. Okay, so if you could control one, which would it be? The weather or the animals? That would be pretty cool to do animals, but I think people are gonna do weather. So I think that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm gonna check one thing in here if they changed anything. Oh, that's cool because like it's what are these doing? Oh, that would have been sick if they like just wait. Okay, okay, I'm gonna try to go to the secret tunnel. Ah, dang it. Okay, so that's it for the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So bye.